If you're looking for a modern CRM in 2026, you've probably come across Attio and Folk CRM. Both are designed to simplify relationship management, but they serve different types of users. In this video, we'll compare their features, ease of use, pricing, and help you decide which one is right for you. Attio overview. Attio is a highly customizable CRM built for startups, sales teams, and growing businesses. It automatically syncs contacts from your email and calendar, making it easy to keep customer data up to date. Its biggest strength is flexibility. You can create custom workflows, build your own data structure, automate repetitive tasks, and integrate with tools like Slack, Gmail, Outlook, and Zapier. If your sales process is unique, Attio gives you plenty of room to customize it. Folk CRM overview. Folk CRM focuses on relationship management rather than traditional sales pipelines. It's ideal for freelancers, recruiters, agencies, investors, and anyone managing a large network of contacts. Folk makes it easy to import contacts from LinkedIn, Gmail, and other sources, organize them into smart groups, collaborate with teammates, and send personalized email campaigns. It's simple, clean, and requires very little setup. Attio versus Folk. When it comes to customization, Attio is the clear winner. It offers more advanced workflows, automations, and reporting capabilities. For ease of use, Folk takes the lead. Its interface is intuitive, making it a great option for users who want to get started quickly. For sales teams, Attio is the better choice because of its powerful pipeline management and automation features. For relationship management, networking, recruiting, and partnerships, Folk is often the better fit thanks to its contact organization and outreach tools. Both platforms offer integrations with popular productivity tools, but Attio generally provides more advanced options for scaling businesses. Final verdict: choose Attio if you need a scalable CRM with advanced customization, automation, and sales pipeline management. Choose Folk CRM if you want a simple, relationship focused CRM that's easy to use and perfect for managing professional networks and personalized outreach. Ultimately, the best choice depends on whether your priority is building a powerful sales system or maintaining strong relationships. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.